Good morning, everyone. Today is the 5th of June, 2018. It's a Tuesday morning. Market just opened here. Fortunately, the RTY is once again at its all-time highs, choosing not to participate when it's at that area. Looking for opportunities on the GC or the CL. I'm seeing a short opportunity here on the GC. Let me monitor it more closely, and I'll get back to you. See if I get a signal to go for a short. Got my signal to go short. Entered right here. Let's see how that works out. Expecting a possible leg back up, or some profit taking, I should say. I'm sorry. Some profit taking to the upside, where we'll be expecting another leg down. So let's see if that materializes. As it's going up, I'm going to evaluate the probabilities of a higher probability add-on or a lower probability add-on. If it's a higher probability add-on, I will get involved. If not, I'm just going to let it go and just ride out what I have. So it's just a matter of how the picture presents itself. If you notice, the 233 had a little separation here, and then it got closer to the rail. Getting closer to the rail means it's more powerful to the downside. It eliminated that separation. Separation equals weakness in that direction. Closer to the band, or the white line, the rail as we call it, it's stronger to the downside. So it actually got more powerful to the downside as we had this little area of consolidation here. Okay, looking at the picture here, 233 is pointing up a little bit. The yellow dot is pointing up. So it's okay if this guy goes up a wee little bit, because what that's going to do is eliminate the separation here on the 440 and get him closer to the rail, just like the 233 did. 233 is obviously the first one that indicates a movement, but a movement here could just amplify what's on the 440 in terms of power. So a movement up will bring these BBs closer to the rail on the 440, thus making them more powerful to the downside. So every time it pushes up, it's really not a bad thing. It's actually a good thing if you know what you're looking at. Okay, perfect right here. See? BB got closer to the rail, and now it's starting to point to the downside, closer to the rail. So here it was separated, had a little push up, and it brought that BB closer to the rail, which made it more powerful to the downside. So we eliminated all this pressure up by a little bit of a movement up. 610 got closer to the rail also. Right now we're about halfway to target. I'm only holding out for 2 points this morning, 2 nuggets. There we go, pushing down nicely. Awesome, targets filled. Got 2 nuggets this morning, and I'm going to call it a day here. Reason being, there is power to the upside waiting to be released. And the push down, in my opinion, isn't going to go very far. We're going to have a reversal back to the upside because the pressure to the upside needs to be released. But anyway, I'm done here, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye. If I was holding for 3 points, I definitely would have gotten out here as it was consolidating here, because the winds just shifted right here. The power to the upside just overtook the power to the downside. It's just a safety precaution when you see something like that, to get out of the trade just for your own well-being. Yes, it could still go down, but there's a lack of pressure here that would tell you to play it safe. Get out while the getting's good, you might say.